Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be looking at how you can make some free crypto on Coinbase. Now what we're going to be looking at is this earn rewards. Alright, so we're looking at getting $121 plus. Now basically what that's going to do is we're going to be able to get companies that are promoting their crypto coins on Coinbase, and they're going to give us some free coins for basically just watching their videos and understanding exactly what it is that their company does. So let's click on that button. And we're going to have to take some tests. I did some of these earlier. I'll just go back to my portfolio. So you can see I don't mind showing you what it's done over the last. You can see my portfolio is going up nicely there. And where we got? So you can see here, I did it earlier, some recent transactions. So I received some CELO and some Compound. I now know all about these coins, which is great. And you'll learn about them too when you take it. And you can see them here as well. So I earned €7.39 in Compound, and it makes up 0.449% of my portfolio. And I also earned €5 out of CELO, which is great. So I actually earned 7 out of one and 5 out of the other, so I'm actually making money on those already. Now what we're going to do now is go to earn rewards, and then you can see what you want. So you can see EOS earn $50, watch the video. So you earn $2 from each video that you do and take the test, so as they know that you've basically just taken it and you're not just clicked on it for the sake of it. Now there's loads here. Invite friends, you'll get $10 BTC. Alright, so I'm gonna drop my affiliate link down in the bottom, and if you guys want to join and take some of these mini videos to earn some free crypto, then yeah, I'd appreciate you guys diving in and opening an account with this. I also own some Tezos, so I got a staking reward. So you can see the estimated reward here that I'm getting, and it's real time, and I'm getting lifetime rewards there. If I go to my profile page again, which I'll show you in a bit, it's constantly moving up with some of the rewards that I'm getting from cryptos that I own. So Maker, I really like Maker. I actually own quite a few of those. I've already done this one, so I probably can't redo that again. So yeah, these are ones I've done. So I've done Maker, CELO, and Compound. Right, so we'll go back up to the top, and for this one, I'm going to we'll do the EOS. All right, so let's start it. It's a 3-minute video. Let's get the sound pumping.
Let's say you're a software developer and you want to build a blockchain-based application designed for millions of users. What do you need to consider?
Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is we're going to watch this. Now it's telling us it's lesson 1 and what is EOSIO and EOS. And it's saying here exactly what it is, and then there's a quiz. So the question is, what is EOSIO? IEOCO, maybe? Probably completely pronouncing that wrong. But if you select the right answer, you're going to get $2 in iOS. So the answers that we got here are a cryptocurrency focused on privacy, a video game running on the iOS blockchain. Sounds cool. A popular EOS wallet for desktop and mobile. A blockchain protocol for fast, scalable applications. A decentralized finance DeFi platform for lending and borrowing crypto. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure what it is right now. Top of my head, I'm going to go the first one, focused on privacy, just because that's what crypto is all about, right? So let's listen to the video and see what it is.
Blockchains have several advantages over traditional web applications, such as security and decentralization. However, in the past, they've also struggled to scale, been difficult to develop for, and suffered from significant transaction fees. If you're a developer building an app for millions of people, these limitations are real concerns. That's why the open source EOSIO protocol was created. EOS.IO was designed from the ground up to support scalable, easy-to-use, secure blockchain applications.
All right, so my first guess at a cryptocurrency focused on privacy was wrong. I'm not gonna shout out what it was because you can probably all see me click it anyway, and you should really be taking these little tests and quizzes for yourself. So I'm just gonna do this one, and I'm gonna do the other videos in private. So you can see here that you earned $2 EOS, right? And now we'll go back to portfolio. Okay, so as you can see, I don't mind showing you portfolio here, but you can see the recent transactions. I've got staking rewards, and I've received STELLA 4 times for the videos that I watched, 26 STELLA each. And if I go down, I do already own some STELLA, so I can't show you the $8 that it went up, but it's I don't own a lot of STELLA, but it has gone up since then. But you can see from the ones I did earlier, we had EOS, so that's gone up, Compound Iron there, and CELO I've also there. If you are interested in automating your crypto trading, now I'm going to leave another link in the bottom to Yanda.io, which is an automated crypto trading platform where you can connect multiple crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbass Pro, Poloniex, Bitmart, Bittrex, YoBit, and probably missing another one, and they're also going to get loads more coming in as well. I know they got a Bitcap Panda on there, HitBC, they've got, what are some of the other really big ones that they got coming in? OKEX is another one that they got coming onto the platform. And I'm also going to stick the link. There's a free trial that you guys can get on the silver membership, so I'm going to put that in there. You can click on that, you can take out a free trial, and you've got unlimited access to the Yanda platform. You can create as many trading bots as you like, and you can see how they work for the first 3 days, and then take out the membership from them if you think it's worth it. If you've got any questions, just write them in the comments below. And remember, wherever it is on this video, just subscribe to the Yanda channel, where we bring out all the videos and the tutorials on how to trade cryptocurrencies automatically. So until next time, I'll see you.